Hello, in this Python programming video we are going to look at the update operation, which will allow us to update information in our database. So we got these rows here, and what we're going to do is update the row with a name of Farhan and update the age to 30. So I've increased my age by 4 years. So what we're going to do is need to do an SQL query, and this will just be update. Now you specify the actual table you want to update something in. Now you specify, what column you're modifying, so age, and what you're setting it to. So you could have, something like %s here and then put the variable after. You can, do all that stuff. But again, just keeping it simple. You'll do a where. It'd probably be less a %s, more like a %i, but you know what I mean. And now we just specify where we want to do it, because if we don't, it'll just, update everything. And, you might want that, but for now, we're just going to have it where name equals Farhan. So save that. Now we just need to do a try. Accept. So now we need to do db.rollback. So if some problem occurs because we're modifying the database, let's roll it back to its last known state so we don't have any problems. So we need to do cursor.execute SQL, and now we need to do db.commit like so. So save that, and we should all be all ready to go. So if I show you by reloading it that the age is still 26. Now if I were to run the module, successfully run it, and let's have a look. Age is now 30. So that is it for the update operation. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.